That's right, you guys. I'm quitting YouTube to play pro tennis.
So, it's finally the day. Taking off the door decal for the Aventador SV.
Just kidding, you guys. If you're new here, welcome back to the channel. I am not quitting YouTube. That is not happening on my watch. Today we're out here on the courts because we're getting back to playing tennis. I used to play tennis in high school. Me and Jordan, my camera guy who's behind the camera, are gonna shoot some balls, and then I'm gonna tell you what this channel is going to be turning into. What the f? Why did you shoot it all the way over there? He's really bad at aim and he has really bad hand-eye coordination. As you can see, Jordan sucks. What are you doing? See what I got? See what I got, Dio? If anybody here in New York is good in tennis that follows me on YouTube, please come. Please DM me. I want to play with someone that actually knows how to play. Take it easy. No pressure. Yeah! And he missed it. So during these 3 months, I've really reflected on what I wanted this YouTube channel to become. I wanted it to become more of a personal experience of my life, more of real estate, cars, and everything like what I do in my daily life to inspire you guys to see what I do. So this is what I usually do now. Every day after work, come to the courts, shoot some balls up. We're gonna get our cardio in for the day. We got some very special news today. We're heading out to Millenium Toyota. I wanted to kind of keep it a secret, but we're picking up a 2020 Toyota Supra. Ah! What happened, Jordan? Black. Another gray one. Black. Another gray one. Black.
Jesus, so many.
There's so many Supras. Another gray one. The matte gray one. And then the white one. It's between this white or the gray one.
Feeling the white one.
Same one. Wow. Alright, thank you, Mike. We're gonna take the gray. Thank Mike for his opinion.
Alright. 10 seconds later.
Alright, so we're taking the white one.
Yeah.
Fine, another white car is fine.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
White's kind of plain. White, a lot of people have it. Nobody really sees the blue, especially that gray. I put my money on the gray if I were you.
Alright, okay, cool. Thank you.
5 minutes later.
Pearl white?
I love pearl white. My car is pearl white.
I don't know, man. What size Tampax you use?
1 hour later.
Really cool.
We're taking the white car.
Okay.
Is that good?
I said gray, but dog, it's your car.
You said gray? As you guys can see, Millenium is stocked up on Supras. They have so many Supras here for sale. So if you guys are interested in getting a Supra, make sure you hit them up. They have some crazy deals going on right now. That's why we're actually picking up this car. Helloing! Helloing! Yes! There's two. I need you to make the final option.
Yes.
Oh, you have your mask. Okay, I put mine.
Social distance.
Yeah, we keep 6 feet.
Yes.
Yeah. So you want to take this one? I mean, what do you think? With the rock chip? Because I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it to a rally one someday.
And I have one for I don't want.
What are you giving him?
What?
I give him Cocoon Edition. Yes. Distinction. He can take out his Irish side. It's great. Yes.
Alright, y'all, we'll take white car.
Yes.
Okay.
Where do I sign paperwork?
Yes. You just missed it.
Yes, it happened.
How you doing?
You're the hype beast.
This is turf. I was talking about you. You know what? Nobody ever sees you on camera, bro.
They don't have to.
Oh, come on, bro. The hype beast. Let's go.
Oh my god.
You know the vibes. Yo. Can you guys let me do donuts? Please?
No! 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 If you change the tires, you can do it.
I'll change the tires, but I mean, I want you to pay for them.
I'll pay for them.
Come on, bro, please.
I'll pay for them.
All right, let me do the. Let me just do a couple like Dunkin' Donuts. Krispy Kreme.
Look,
Oh baby, you know the vibe.
Let's go. I'm kind of scared, to be honest.
Oh, safety third.
Safety third?
Oh.
Oh god.
Boys.
Oh god. What are you trying to do?
Take the safety. See, I told you safety third. Like, can we turn the safety off?
Oh god.
Not bad.
You almost lost it.
Not bad.
Oh god, oh god, oh god. Guys, this is why you should get a Supra. Holy shit. Oh. That was a cop. Did you see that? Oh my god. Oh, he didn't come. You're so lucky.
Not
Look,
bad.
you made some marks over here. Oh god, you must be enjoying this thing, aren't you?
Yo, this thing is pretty sick.
You gotta get
Not bad, guys.
The brakes kind of like not
A little
like that,
soft.
not like the SV, but
Nah.
they're doable. They're doable.
They're alright.
So 1 to 10. 1 to 10.
It feels very light, very nimble.
It's great, isn't it?
Like crazy. I give it a
There's so much tread left.
I give it a solid 7.
7 out of 10. But for the money.
I mean, it's a lot of bang for the buck. You're getting a lot of car for the money.
Exactly.
I mean, if you tune it, I wouldn't do a wide body, but I would definitely
downpipe tune.
downpipe tune, probably stiffen the suspension.
Keep
Definitely.
the stock exhaust, I think.
No, it sounds good with the stainless exhaust.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Little, couple little things here and there.
And they're certified over here at Ibushi to work on these cars. So if you guys are interested in getting it done, make sure you hit them up. I'll put a link in the description. Swapping the tires up to the Toyota Supra.